Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's Mateo Trades back again with another backtesting 1 week a day until unprofitable series. I think it's the part 20, I think. Either way, we're on the end of May, so we're going to be starting April. This is, I think, NFP week, I'm pretty sure. Or starting June, I meant. I think this is NFP week. I'm not. Yeah, actually, yeah, should be. Should be. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So, yeah, let's go. So, monthly is low-key swooping out this low right here. We are in bearish order flow, but we are swooping out that low. We have just tapped into this IRL, so we might want to see lower out of that. We do have a daily unfilled below. I don't know. We are in overall bearish order flow, but we are kind of discounted still. So if we do see that we're still ripping higher from here, then we might want to trade up to this, but I don't know. We did take out monthly ERL pullback to IRL, so could see this continue lower. But I do want to be a bit more careful here. We are in overall bullish order flow. We have this high right here. That looks like it could be a clean draw on liquidity. We do have an SMT with that. But that SMT was all the way back here. Or, wait, no. Yeah, here. And then we just ripped through it, so I don't really care too much about that. We are pretty premiumed. Let's see. Alright, we have Asia lows right here. Honestly, I'm not really super confident in anything. Yeah, not really confident in much here. And we are showing bearish order flow on the 30 minute. So I do think that we could see a nice short down to this Asia session low. I think it makes a lot of sense. It's also I was gonna say it's also an unfilled 4-hour, but it's not. Yeah, and we're overall just pretty premium, I would say. Plus this SMT. It's not bad. Yeah, I like this AMD. Alright, leaning a little bit more short-term bearish. Just because overall monthly looks pretty bearish, but we got a daily market structure shift off the monthly intermediate term low. However, we are in bearish monthly order flow, so I guess this weekly would be my condition. Other way looks like we could see short-term lower to unfilled par and EQ and Asia lows. Good 15-minute bearish AMD and 30-minute bearish order flow. Draw liquidity mainly is going to be Asia session low. Not super confident in this though. I guess 15-minute SIBI would be the condition. Strength of draw, probably going to be 3. Really not super confident, but that internal draw does look not too bad. So let's see if we end up getting some structure toward that, or if we just rip. Dang, this is 9:30 open. It's probably a bank holiday. Yeah, absolutely nothing today. Okay, probably a bank holiday, I would guess, or like a half day. Yeah, half day. Okay. Half day, so no trades. Okay. I think there's 31 days in May, right? Yeah. That. Okay, this looks a little bit better. Ooh, I actually kind of like this. Alright, so we're overall, I mean, just like based off the weekly or monthly tapped into this order block, soup this, intermediate term low. We're overall obviously bullish. We get this daily market structure shift, really good soup internally. Yeah, then pull back to this daily BISI with a daily open low. And yeah, I mean, we're just generating good buy side. Unsponsored Asia highs, good session, good stacked session highs above, good LRL. Yeah, honestly, just I would say every reason to trade higher here. If this 15-minute can hold bullish, then I'm definitely willing to take some longs. Yeah. All right. Leaning a bit more bullish today. High time frame still looks a bit unclear, but daily open low into the BC after making a market structure shift higher off the monthly intermediate term low. So I think this looks pretty clear. Bullish, especially since we have pretty stacked session highs and LRL above. DOL is going to be unsponsored, daily session high, and LRL. Conditions is going to be 15-minute BISI. It's going to be probably 3.5. It's better than yesterday, but it's not something super A+. Do we have news here? Biden spoke? What? Dang, okay. Okay, looks like the condition might not be holding. Okay. Let's see, any levels that we may want to retrace to? I think we're in EQ now. Yeah. Could maybe hit this discounted 4-hour and then reject. We're now also in this daily breaker, so now I'm even more confident actually. But I'm not willing to take a rejection off this. Maybe. Wait, I didn't even check ES today. What's ES doing? We're about to open this unfilled 4-hour above. Yeah, really clean buy side above. Yeah, ES looks the same as NQ pretty much. That's good. We did just tap into that 5-minute. Did we? Not quite. Okay, we did. I don't know. I need a resweep. Okay, little 10 a.m. open low. Not too bad. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I mean, we have a little 4-minute, 3-minute. Do we have a 5-minute? We are making one, yeah. Not a big fan. Oh, this displacement does look pretty good though. Oh, but it's so like, yeah, we're literally right about to take that on ES. It doesn't look horrible. It looks pretty good actually. It looks kind of like a nice little 15-minute PDI type thing. Or not quite a PDI because we didn't inverse this 15-minute yet, but looks like maybe an AMD time is aligned, tapped into the discounted 4-hour plus EQ, and we're inside the daily. We have the unfilled 4-hour above. Just don't really like ES right now. I'd rather wait for a cont here. It was already a bit of a push to consider taking this mech just because of how big this displacement was and the fact that we weren't getting like immediate rejection off anything. Obviously, I mean, actually this is pretty good. This internal PDI model, I think this is really good, but yeah, just I really don't like that SMT. Okay, there's like maybe a 1 minute or like a 30-second, but we already took out that 15 minute. Yeah. I'd want to see a bit of a higher push into this before taking a cart. Yeah, so that would have just been insta break even. We do have that 30 minute now. Do we have a 15 minute? No. Okay, there's a little 15 minute top right here, I think. Yeah. I like this a lot better. It's just pretty high resistance above. Yeah. No. I mean, we have that 30-second inversion. Nah, bro, like, let's be real. This is kind of mid. Actually, like, it's okay. It's not bad. Clear on for the 4 hour. We don't really have any reason to trade lower. Right, 10 AM open lower. Good displacement. In hindsight, I probably could have taken this 5 minute. It wouldn't have gotten break even, but with ES that close to that high, the likelihood of it getting break even was not worth taking. Just because it could have gotten stopped out, but it also was just so, like, you know. But yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't know. This is like not bad, I guess. Edge to equilibrium. That doesn't really matter if we tapped into this for value up at EQ. Overall and bullish order flow, pretty clear bomb model. Do we have like a 2 minute? No. The 30-second was okay. I don't know. I really don't like this structure. It seems really choppy and kind of slow. We're also very close to the end of the session. I'd rather wait for a 11 AM open low. Yeah, I just really don't like that chop. Ooh, okay, 15 minute did just open up. Could take some longs out of that, potentially. We did also just inverse this 30 minute, which I really like. And the unfilled 4 hours above. So, this doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cooked. We do get the inversion, but it's 1140. Yeah, it's just not something that I'm willing to take. And, yeah, 15 minute inverse. Yeah, cooked. Dang, I ended up running. Wow. Okay, well, good reads today. That was a good fade. I think this was a pretty good fade. I don't know if I would have been... I probably wouldn't have been stopped out, I don't think. Actually... I don't know. I might have just put it at the body because this was such a strong close. But yeah, just overall good fade, I'd say. And then TP would have been like up here. Yeah, I'd say good fade. Good fade. I didn't like that. I didn't like that we were getting a bunch of consolidation right before 11, and this 30-second was kinda just in the middle of it, and so I wanted to see how 11 a.m. would open. Yeah, so this other would have just been break even, or yeah, would have just been break even, to be honest. There's no way that would have closed at that high. And then there was this trade. This trade was pretty, honestly, this trade was, actually, it was pretty bad. We inversed a 15 minute. If we didn't inverse a 15 minute and we got this at like 11:15, I would have slapped that. But actually, maybe not even. Like 10 a.m. did kind of distribute a lot, so I think there wasn't really much of a point to trade 11. But yeah, we can just go on to the next day now. Overall, good reads, good. Oh, one sec. Good reads and good DOL. Just no entries, so that's a bit rough, but I didn't expect too much, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. Didn't really have high expectations for that day. One sec. Alright, I'm back. Alright. Let's see. So, damn, wasn't this? Oh, okay, no, never mind. Okay, so we have, looks like a weekly open low, delivering off that monthly, weekly open low. Monthly close pretty bullish. We might get a monthly open low if we're gonna be bullish, but I'm really still just kind of confused about overall like monthly and weekly draws. So I'm just gonna be more bullish just based off what the daily is telling me right now. The fact that we are in bullish order flow off this soup, market structure shift, pull back to internal, and then now daily open low, bullish structure. So we have a lot of things that are telling us that we want to trade higher now. We have the soup of this low right here. Actually, that's an SMT. It's not really a significant low though, to be fair. Is that? No, that's not even EQ. That's not even CE of this rejection block. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess we're not really delivering for much then, right? But I do like this overall generation of liquidity above SMT at some sort of sell side. It's not like significant, but then rejection, super strong displacement. We have good buy side above that we could be targeting. We are still holding bullish on the 30-minute. How's the hourly looking? We have an unfilled hourly. Okay, could potentially see longs off of that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like this soup of Asia highs. Or I guess it's not souped yet, but if we trade back to this hourly, then it would be. So I'd kind of rather just see displacement through and like cons off of an internal model. I'm leaning a bit more bullish right now because of the daily bullish model, but monthly and weekly don't look super clean. Also internally, we have no sponsorship from any PDAs, so yeah, just lower probability conditions, but I'm still bullish. Just because overall looks more bullish. Yeah, I mean, it's maybe a bit more discretionary because we don't have any fair value out there or anything, but overall still just looks more bullish. Like, yeah, just better displacement above. Better LRL. And just overall this daily model looks pretty clean. TOL is gonna be high week. Yeah, or London session lows if 1 hour IPG, 1 hour busy. I'm gonna give it a 3 again. I don't really think that this is super strong. Okay, that is kind of what I wanted to see, but we did just take out previous day's high. Oh wait, oh I guess we didn't. Oh, so previous day's high's right there. Huh, okay. We do have a 10 a.m. news. We just edged previous day's high. We're about to open this 15-minute potentially. We might just reject and close this though. If that happens and we inverse a 5-minute, I could maybe take shorts. Actually, I don't know, leaving previous day's highs intact. I don't know if I should. Okay, we do have that 15-minute. We do have an SMT. Damn, fat SMT, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright, SMT with the hourly. However, NQ, not really in a spot of good distribution. I mean, I guess it's not bad because we are inside of this 5-minute. We have an SMT inside this 5-minute. Internal and external SMT. Does look pretty good, I guess, to see higher. Do we have 30-second? We do have a 30-second. Horrible time to close. Oh, fuzz, man. This is really good displacement, but this time to close is awful. Oh, bro, this is weird. Low key, though, I really like this top of this RB and then just straight rip. Like, we can see that we edged this RB once. The CE of the rejection block, and then after we tap into it, an immediate super strong rejection. I would say this is pretty good. I mean, good relative equal highs above. We do have previous day's high just above that as well. Stops at that low. See, the thing is, I'm also 10 a.m. news. Never mind. Okay, would have been break even. Oh wait, let me. We'll see how 10 a.m. news happens. If we can open lower somehow, that would be good. Wait, what news was this? Yo, wait. Brother, don't play with me, don't play with me, don't play with me. Come on, bro. Come on. Should I limit this for a little bit better RR? Realistically, I feel like previous is high is just... Oh, bro. Hold up. Does this even get the fill? Okay, it does. Alright. Bro, this is so high. Should I maybe I can like put my stop a bit closer. Rejected that 15-minute. We didn't hit the discounted one, but I don't really care. Because now we hit EQ, hit OTE. Both NQ and ES are in a spot of distribution, with ES being inside of this hourly. Really good SMT externally. Well, externally if I go into the lower time frame. But yeah, honestly, I really like this. This is a super clean trade. Do we have like a 2-minute or something? No, okay, yeah. I'm slapping this, bro. Higher size, maybe? Bro, I feel like there's no reason for me not to go higher size on this. I just think that's so clean. Right? Did the 1 minute have that as well? No, not quite. Bro, yeah, come on. That's so clean. Let me see. The 4 hour also closed super bullish, bro. And 10 a.m. open low. There's no, like, this is so A plus. Super A plus long. 4 hour closed super strong bullish. Then NQ tapped 15-minute busy. Wow. ES. Oh yeah, and OTE. Well, ES went and tapped the discounted 1 hour, and we edged previous day's high and left relative equal highs at internal high and data highs. Like, bro. Then 1 minute V-shaped inversion. Yeah. Strength of bias. I'm gonna give this a 5, bro. Like, so obvious. This is what, Wednesday? Yeah. Wednesday, bullish. Higher time frame. It just suits some internal sell side. We're delivering from a daily for value gap. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Daily for value gap, yeah. I guess this is a 4 hour order block. So, yeah, 4 hour order block. I guess we technically tapped into this CISD as well. So yeah, yeah, but I don't have CISD on this, so whatever. Rejection blocks. I'm pretty sure, nah. Yeah, no rejection block. Yeah, okay, cool. And then we have 15-minute busy. Do we have a 30-minute? Not quite. We did kind of edge. Ooh, I don't really like that. But we do have the SMT and the tap into the 15-minute. So I don't think that matters. Sizing up on that though. But like, bro, the fact that we have the SMT just, that means that we should just rip. Plus data highs above. Souped out OTE. Bro, honestly, I think this is still fine. Yeah, like that SMT. Top 15-minute. Low-key, I don't know about going high risk though. Yeah, high risk I think is kind of with the equal low, or the relative equal lows. Bro, why is FX replay tripping out? Yeah, with the relative equal lows with the unfull 30-minute below, I don't really want to, what's it called? Yeah, I don't really want to flip in size up. That's what it's called. Okay. We have that little 5-minute or 1 minute order block. No 15-minute. Okay. Okay, we have OTE. We don't have any 3 drive, I don't think. Actually, yeah, I guess we do. 3 drive. Do we have... Yeah, we have the SMTs. We have a soup of internal being this low. Really clean soup, actually. super clean on the 5-minute, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I think this looks really good. 10 a.m. open low. 1 minute premium inversion. 4.5. Yeah. 4.5 or 5? I think the 30-minute brings down my confidence a little bit, but I'm still like really confident in this high, so happy I went normal size. Damn, I'm really surprised that we didn't hit that. That's crazy. What? Okay. That 30-minute might have been a bigger deal than I would have thought. But bro, honestly, like at the same time, I still don't know why we didn't trade higher. Like what? Just ripped all the way lower. Okay. It's kind of weird. Might have gotten overconfident and yeah, and overlooked the 30-minute unfilled bit low. Yeah, I don't know, like, yeah, maybe that 30-minute was stronger than I thought. Okay. It's definitely something to journal. I mean, like, I still think this was a good trade just because of this SMT, but at the same time, edging that 30-minute, bro, I don't know. We were in discount, though. I don't know. Maybe I should get someone else's opinion on that. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Whatever. Moving on from that. I think it was a decent trade, but I'm really not too sure. And I think I played today pretty well. Maybe like an 8. I think the only problem was I maybe overlooked the 30 minute. Wait, we still have a lot of. Do we have a lot of time left? Oh, not really. This long doesn't look horrible. 15-minute unfilled. SMTSL side souped London lows. Not bad. But I don't know. That ain't bad. Yeah, I mean, I feel like this is a good long. I just feel like I don't want to force nothing. Because 10 a.m. distributed a lot. Like basically 2%. So, I don't know. It feels a little bit forced. Even though I think this is overall pretty clean. Okay. Definitely a data journal, I would say. Yeah. Missed this, or not missed, faded this long because we dumped so much already today. I think it was pretty good. Just, yeah, I mean, I guess this was good. We did have this accumulation zone. We had a good slowdown before the manipulation. And we had a pretty good target being the 15 minute unfilled. I guess the 5-minute unfilled right here. Yeah. All conditions were met. Honestly, this was really good. Probably shouldn't have faded that, but it's okay. Alright. Yeah, basically I said faded this long because we dumped so much already today. I think it was pretty good. Just wasn't in the right headspace, but we took previous day's low with an SMT, souped at London session lows, and left an unfilled 5-minute and 15-minute and LRL leading to it with a 5-minute IFVG, and then 5-minute gap tap with a V-shaped 1-minute IFVG. So I think DOL was really clean today. Or not really. Honestly, I think that's probably wise because we didn't have any sponsorship of that move. The reason things didn't work out today is because we lacked our top-tier sponsorship of the overall move coming into the morning. Yeah, I guess that was probably the main issue. I don't know. I'll go over this again and see though. Alright, yeah, everything looks good. We are getting bearish displacement here. I don't know, this is a bit weird. We tapped into the weekly. Now it looks like a weekly open high, which I guess it was. We did have this kind of weekly open high, but we have this daily fair value gap here. We have an SMT with this high, which is also insignificant. Like the SMT does nothing really. However, this does look really good internally to see lower. Traded back into this hourly fair value gap, held CE, good displacement lower. Is this? Wait, what? Yo, what just happened, bro? What is this? Yo, am I tripping? What the flip, bro? Okay. Damn, is that an NWOG? Or is there like a problem with FX replay? This is a... Dude, I don't think that's an NWOG, man. 400 point NWOG? Bro, I don't know. That's like really weird if it is. I feel like it's not. Okay, so I just have to do this then. Bro, this is so weird. What the heck? I mean, either way, I guess we we'd probably want to see the lower. Oh, this is so awkward now. Hold up, let me go to what's it called? Let me go on the 4 hour. That's June 2nd, 2022. Let's see if I can go back that far. Oh yeah, I definitely can. Hold up though. June 2nd. June 2nd, 2022. Oh, this is really annoying. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. So this is the, oh shoot, hold up. Is that, oh, okay. So this is, okay. Yeah, okay, that gap is fake. Okay, I guess the FX replay couldn't like stitch it together or something, I don't know. Just like, bro, I swear they always have like stupid problems like this, bro. Okay, it's 5 a.m., 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, if we go to the 1 hour, what the flip? Bro, this looks completely different. Am I tripping? Bro, what? Yo, why does this look fully different? Am I trading ES or something? Like what? Yeah, I don't know what's going on, bro. Alright, well, either way, this gap is fake, so I guess just this makes it really hard, man. What the heck? Alright. Yeah, I guess we're just displacing down to this daily unfilled done. Yeah. Nothing else I can really say about this. Just like this candle would look like if I were to put this over. Yeah. If I were to put this over here, then it would be displacing lower like that. And it would be on the way down to this bottom candle. I don't know if ES tapped it yet. I'm not going to do all this crap on ES, bro. Okay, well, this, like, bottom line is 1 hour bearish order flow. Looks pretty bearish, I guess. If we start seeing bullish order flow, could maybe see longs, I don't know. But leaning a bit more bearish to the daily unfilled low as we're displacing toward it off the weekly city. QL is going to be daily unfilled. Conditions for draw. I guess the 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute city. If that's ran, then we could probably see this unfilled hourly up here. Or I guess it's going to be a 4 hour. Right, so yeah, I don't know. I guess I could just do this quickly. Now let's see, daily. We did tap into that daily on ES. Okay, so we might see a rip higher here. If we do get that 15-minute or like 5-minute market structure, yeah, 5-minute market structure shift, I could take some longs. If not, probably gonna take shorts. There's that low. Longs off this wouldn't be horrible. We go a 3-minute. Not a bad 3-minute close, to be honest. Well, there's that daily unfilled. Just gotta make super sure that. Oh, this is really annoying. Okay. Let's see. So we have that low. Okay. And then. Oh. I don't think we did hit it. Unless this is wrong again. Nah. I guess we didn't hit it. Damn. Alright, no entry then. Wow, this is some horrible PA, bro. Because after we hit that, we can probably be bullish, right? There's that low. I don't know. I'd low-key rather wait for like a 5-minute cons or something. Yeah, bro. I don't know what the... like... This was Friday? Bro, so where was Thursday? Okay, bro. What the fuck? I guess Thursday just doesn't exist. Holy dude. What the fuzz? Bro, FX replay messed up so bad. What the flip? Maybe I'm low-key a little bit lucky because I probably would have gotten caught up in longs. Yeah, I actually might have taken that 3-minute long then. Oh, I don't have the 3-minute this far back. Dang. Oh wait, the 3-minute long was... Wait, no, I think it was over here. Bro, I don't even know. That was such a weird week, bro. Alright, well, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say about that week. That was just awful. 1-0 or 0-1 on the week. Yeah, like, I don't know. Maybe there could have been something on Thursday. This did low-key look kind of clean. Souped out this low. Yeah, souped out that low. Oh my gosh, bro. This comp would have been so nice. Fam, what? Oh. That's actually so annoying, bro. And an SMT? Oh. Yo. Are we serious, bro? I mean, I guess, I don't know. Might have gotten like break even or something. Probably not, but you know, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Okay, well, that's the week. Pretty rough because of FX replay being stupid, but and just honestly that trade on what's it called, Tuesday, no, Wednesday trade was kind of, it was I'm not too mad about that. I think that was a hard decision to make, and I think I made a decent choice. Could have taken the one after, however, based on like just like my headspace, I don't think that would have been smart. So I think I played this week pretty well. If Thursday was there, this con looked pretty A+. 5-minute market structure shift, pull back to the uni, and then longs. But obviously we weren't able to see any of this PA, so not really anything I could do about that. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this session, and yeah, have a good rest of y'all's day. Peace out.